Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's video we're going to be making an envelope as part of our series and the getting back to the basics. A dear friend of mine is just getting into the card making craft and she was asking about envelopes and where to get them or even how to make them. So I told her that I usually get mine only when they're on clearance. These are from Hobby Lobby. They're the Paper Studio brand. They were only $1.24. So I got a couple different colors. They even had the white ones on clearance, and that one's upside down. And it was actually only $1.12. So was this one. I'm not sure why these are $1.24. I even found a whole pack of them. These include cards and envelopes. It's the Cricut brand at Ollie's, and this one was $2.99. So always check your clearance aisles if you're just starting a new craft. There's no sense in spending a lot of money if you get into it and don't even enjoy it. But today I am going to show you how to make your own. I'm digging into my chipboard scraps and we are going to make a template. So let's get started. So we're going to need a 5 3/4 by 4.5 size. So let's just see. I'm sure this is plenty big enough. So we'll choose this one and I'm going to cut it down to 5 3/4 by 4.5. And while I'm here, I'm going to show you two methods, just in case you don't have chipboard. You'll take a regular piece of copy paper and cut it to the same size, 5 3/4 by 4.5. You're going to find your center, so you'll just fold your paper in half. Unfold it, fold it in half again the other way. Now you have your center. To find the center on the chipboard, obviously you can't really fold it that well. So I have a ruler that shows me the center. So if you don't have one of these center rulers, you can use a regular ruler. What you'll do is on the 5 3/4 inch side, you'll measure over 2 7/8 and make a dot. Turn it. Measure over 2 7/8 again and make a dot. Turn it, measure 2 1/4. Make a dot. Turn it again, measure 2 1/4. And then you'll connect your lines. And you have your center. Next, you'll grab a piece of cardstock. It needs to have somewhat of a weight to it. You definitely don't want to use copy paper just because your envelope won't have a lot of sturdiness that it really needs. So this is just 65 pound. It's plenty. There's several different ways to make envelopes. The easiest way I've found is to use my scoreboard and I line it up on my 6-inch mark from the top to the bottom. So you'll just follow it down, line it up, and you'll make a tiny, very light pencil mark. Then you'll turn it, line it up again at the 6-inch mark, and you'll make a light pencil mark again, but only to the first line that you drew. That's all there is to it. So you'll get that template out that you just made. You'll just line it up from line to line and your top line. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then you'll crease your paper over your template. Alright, and you'll see these little V's that are right here. You're going to cut these out. To dress it up a little bit, you'll just want to cut off the top notches on the top and the bottom. You can use a corner chomper, or you can use a corner rounder, or you can use a good old pair of scissors. They all work the same. Now all you'll need to do is just glue down the sides. You'll only want to put glue right here on this side and right here on this side. Make sure you don't put glue on this. You don't want glue right here, or else you'll glue your envelope and you won't be able to put in your card. And there you have it, a fully customizable envelope. Remember that card we made yesterday? This just happens to match perfectly. How cute is that? You can also take your designer paper. I found these beautiful butterflies. The inside is beautiful. Found this designer paper also. The inside is floral. How pretty would that be for Mother's Day? Oh my goodness. Also, remember the stickers we had left over from yesterday's card? How cute would that be on this envelope? My goodness, that is so adorable. The possibilities are endless. Let me know in the comments below which ones you're going to try to make. Designer paper or regular cardstock. Until the next one, bye!